In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Vacation Responder in AOL Mail. First, open your preferred web browser and search for AOL Mail. Look for the official AOL Mail website in the results. It should show a secure connection and the familiar AOL branding. Click into that result to head to the home page. On the AOL Mail page, go to the upper right corner and choose Login or Join. Sign into your account as you normally do so you can access your inbox and settings. Once you're in your mailbox, locate the gear-shaped settings icon near the upper right corner. In some versions, it may be labeled Options. Click it, and then select More Settings to open the full settings panel. In the left-hand menu, find the section for Vacation Response. Depending on the interface version, this may appear under General as Mail Away Message. Either way, open that section to manage your automatic reply. You'll see a switch that controls the feature. Turn it on to enable the vacation response. This simply tells AOL Mail to start sending your automatic reply during the dates you specify. Next, choose the start date and the end date for your time away. These dates determine exactly when the automated message will be sent. Pick the first day you want the responder to begin and the last day you want it to run. Consider your time zone and whether you want the message to start at the beginning of your first day off or the night before. Now compose your away message in the text box. Keep it clear and friendly. Include the dates you'll be unavailable and, if appropriate, a backup contact or a general support channel. Avoid sharing sensitive personal details. Short, direct, and helpful messages work best. For example, noting when you'll be back and how urgent matters should be handled while you're away. Remember that most systems send one auto-reply per sender during your away period, so you don't need to repeat the same details multiple times. When everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click Save. This activates your vacation responder with the dates and message you set. If you return early or want to make changes, you can revisit the same settings, adjust the dates or message, or toggle the feature off. That's it. You've set up an AOL Mail Vacation Responder that keeps senders informed while you're away, so your inbox stays manageable and your contacts know what to expect.